Man, has it ever been an incredible week in AI? There's a new update from Google that I just want to show you that I think is going to be the absolute game changer. And yeah, I know we hate saying game changer, but guess what? It's just a game changer. Let's go check this out. Pop over to the browser. All you got to do is go to Google, which you know is google.com. And on my screen right now, I now have the button for the new AI mode. But let me show you real quick. If for some reason you don't have that button, up in the top corner, you'll see there is a little beaker, like the Muppets. You just want to hit on the beaker and boom, it'll take you to this page here. The first one with the rainbow box, that is AI mode. All you gotta do is hit try AI mode. These are some of the other new things that they came out with, but I don't even want to get sidetracked with that. So let's get back to where we came from. So if we want to do some searching, let's go in here and let's try this real quick. Looking to buy a 6K monitor. Do this again. Looking to buy a 6K monitor for a Mac. Right? So right here, this is the regular Google section, right? All I want to do now, at the very top here, click AI mode, give it a chance to think, and it's going to do some thinking. And there you go. It's pulling out the results. Right here is the sources where it pulled from. If there was more, you would hit more, like show all. These are all the sources where it pulled from. So this is really good for just tracking things down, doing your research, trying to just get better answers. You know, I've been on this thing about GEO for a hot minute, and some people have been not listening to me, but this is GEO in full effect. Okay, let's try again. Show me some of the top tonkatsu restaurants in Kyoto, Japan. All right, boom. There it is. Hit the AI mode. It's doing some thinking, pulling out these lists, and boom, there it is. I actually know where this one is. Tonkatsu Katsura and Sanjo Kawaramachi. I know exactly where that is. That place is actually off the chain. And Gyukatsu Kyoto. This is one of my favorite places. It is so good. I literally go there all the time. They also have the Watafuku. Yeah, they came through. They pulled out some of the incredible ones. So let's say, I'll type this one out. What about Hokkaido? It should say Tamafuji. If this thing knows what it's talking about, there it is. Hey, the fact that, listen, I'm telling you, this thing knows what it's talking about because Tamafuji's off the chain. We actually have one here in Honolulu, but yeah, this is cool. So I just wanted to show you that now Google is officially rolling out this AI search. So yes, that's just great as a user who's trying to find things, but this means no small creators now. If you're creating content about something that people need to hear about, and you're consistent, and you're clear, and you're prolific, your search results will show up using GEO now instead of SEO. With the new changes in the YouTube algorithm, anyone can win, right? The excuses of, I'm a small channel, I feel like my channel's being buried, I feel like I'm being shadow banned, the algorithm hates me. Now those are straight up excuses. They always have been excuses, but now real deal Holyfield, these guys are straight up excuses now. Because if you're putting out content that is answering the questions that people are asking, it will show up now because the bots are doing the good work. This is why I've been screaming this for over a year now. I've been heavy on it the last 3 or 4 months. GEO is better than SEO. And if you're solving folks' problems, you will win. All you have to do. I made a mistake in a video the other day, and I was trying to say, in order to be interesting, you have to be interested. That's what I mean. So if your subject matter is mice, but this kind, not the scurry ones, this would be a time for you to test your own knowledge. Go to your favorite bot and tell it to make you, quiz you on your own knowledge. Like, this is the time to be a piano expert if you are a piano expert. If you are a singer or a songwriter, this is the time for you to share how to write songs, not just write songs and share them. Are you hearing me, people? For the people in the back, are you hearing me? If you're hearing this, raise your hands. If you are doing any type of teaching, any type of edutainment, you are going to win now. All you have to do is be consistent with that content. Everyone in here who's watching this right now has said this to the other person on the other side of your house at one time or another, whether it be spouse or child. I can't read your mind. Your audience can't read your mind either. No one knows what you know because you ain't putting it out there. And it doesn't matter if you're not an expert. You just need to be relevant. Relatable, relevant, consistent. And this new Google AI search is just going to make your job even easier. I don't know who need to hear that, but if it was you, you know what the story is. Let me know down in the comment section below. If you like this video, press the like button, press the subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you never know when I have one of these random spaz attacks after a 13-hour flight and no sleep yet. And right about now, the algorithm is going to show you another video they think you should watch, and I agree with them.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet.